Hello friends, welcome to E2C, which is Education to Career. So in this video, I'll be covering the most important current affair questions part 20 for CMET examination. So let's get started with the video. Question number 1. Which state has announced a new initiative, Direct CTO, to enable green category industries to receive faster clearance from government? So the correct answer is D, which is Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister K. Palaniswamy announced a new initiative, Direct CTO, to enable companies operating under green category industries to receive faster clearance from government to commence operation. The move would largely benefit micro, small, and medium enterprises planning to set up operation in the state. He said at the function held to mark 125th year to of trade body Confederation of Indian Industry. Question number 2. Who have been conferred with prestigious Ayurveda Ratan Award 2020 in Bruxelles? Bruxelles. So the correct answer is option C, which is Pratap Chauhan. Mr. Pratap Chauhan honored with Ayurveda Ratan Award 2020. The award was announced during Ayurveda Day celebration at the European Parliament. The All-Party Parliament Group on Traditional Medicines organized a meeting at in Brussels, Belgium, with the aim of formulating a roadmap to legalize Ayurveda in Europe. Question number 3. The third private train of IRCTC would run between Indore and which city? So the correct answer is option D, which is Varanasi. The third private train of IRCTC would run between Indore and Varanasi. Railway Board Chairman Vinod Kumar Yadav said the overnight train would have the same rank as those of the Humsafar Express. Question number 4. India and which country has signed up 5 MOUs for establishing a Adu tourism zone in 5 islands of Adu Atoll? So the correct answer option B, which is Maldives. India and Maldives signed 5 MOUs for establishing the Adu tourism zone in 5 islands of Adu Atoll at a cost of 2.49 million USD. The tourism zone is expected to generate local employment and enhance eco-tourism opportunities in Adu. Question number 5. The 21st edition of Art Festival Kala Ghoda is being held in which city? So the correct answer is C, which is Mumbai. The Kala Ghoda festival is named so because it is organized at Kala Ghoda in South Mumbai. The festival started on February 1, 2020. It will be ending on February 9, 2020. The festival had event based on children's literature, cinema, dance, food and heritage, urban design and architecture, literature and Mumbai and music. Question number 6. Hindi is the third most spoken language of the world in 2019 with dash million speakers. So the correct answer is A, which is 615 million. In Hindi is the third most spoken language of the world in 2019 with 615 million speakers. Question number 7. Which country has once again become the member of Commonwealth of Nations? So the correct answer is option A, which is Maldives. The Commonwealth has welcomed its 54th family member after Maldives' application for readmission was approved. The small island nation officially rejoined the Commonwealth. Question number 8. Which state government has ordered ban of alcohol consumption at courts? So the correct answer is option C, which is Maharashtra. Maharashtra government has ordered to ban alcohol consumption at courts. Question number 9. Which country will host the 2024 Winter Youth Olympics? So the correct answer is option D, which is South Korea. The fourth edition of the Winter Youth Olympic Game 2024 will be held in Gangwon province in the city of Pyeongchang and Gangchang, Republic of Korea, home to the Olympic Winter Games. Question number 10. What is the theme of World Cancer Day 2020? So the correct answer is I am and I will is the theme of World Cancer Day 2020. Question number 11. Who has been named as the Telecom Person of the Year 2019? So the correct answer is option C, which is Ram Swek Sharma, India's leading telecom magazine Voice and Data, named Telecom Regulatory Authority of India Chairman Ram Swek Sharma as the Telecom Person of the Year 2019. Question number 12. India has become the second largest smartphone market globally by surpassing which country? So the correct answer is option A, which is United States. The India smartphone market surpassed the USA for the first time on an annual level, becoming the second largest smartphone market globally, reaching 158 million shipment in 2019 with 7% YOY growth, according to the latest research from Counterpoint Market Monitor Service. Question number 13. Which state has decided to ban all type of online lottery scheme in the state? So the correct answer is C, which is Punjab. Punjab government banned sale of online lottery scheme to check illegal sales. To check illegal lottery sale in the use of online lottery, the Punjab cabinet led by Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh decided to ban the sale of all types of online lottery schemes in the state. Question number 14. Which ministry has launched the Santusht portal? So the correct answer is D, which is Ministry of Labour and Employment. So Santusht implementation monitoring cell has been constituted in the Office of Minister of State of Labour and Employment in January 2020. Question 15. Who has been named Central Banker of the Year 2020 Asia Pacific by the Banker? So the correct answer is A, which is Shaktikant Das. Reserve Bank of India Governor Shaktikant Das has been named the Central Banker of the Year Asia Pacific 2020 by the Banker magazine, a unit of Financial Times. The award is given to central bankers who have best managed the stimulated growth and stabilized their economy. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.